Here we have a 2 litre XBT Ford Transit. This one is the H3L2. This is 85,000 miles. Comes with backed up service history, security locks, swing lift, plenty of extras in the back with the auxiliary ports and so on. These are nice solid vans. They'll come with our standard 3 months warranty, come with a fresh service. This one in particular has just had its wet belt done 4,000 miles ago, but these vans are good to go. This is coming to us like this. It's had no paint work. It's a genuine van, so what you see is what you get. Feel free to drop us a message or give us a call.